Hello, I'm Alex with Northeast Agri Systems. We're here on my personal farm where I've been running the Quadratherm Chore-time heaters for over 12 years now. Between every flock, I like to drop the heater down to about shoulder height. With a backpack blower, I blow the dust off the top here, and then also the emitter tubes that run down the length of it, as well as the combustion chamber blowing up in the holes here and getting the dust off of there. Every 2 to 3 flocks, I like to take a long brush and run it down the length of the heater. This cleans out any debris that's built up in the emitter tubes. It's important every year to clean the orifice in the gas valve assembly. For an LP gas setup, you'll need a number 54, and for a natural gas, a number 51 drill bit. You remove the top 2 screws from the gas valve assembly, pull out and rotate to the side, and simply clean out any debris that's built up. It's very important not to use a drill, as you'll oversize the hole of the orifice. With proper maintenance, these heaters run extremely efficient and will last for many years. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.